चलिए ICSE Class 10th Mathematics, Arithmetic and Geometric Progression Chapter number 9, Exercise 9D. Question number 1. Find the sum of the terms of the indicated geometric sequence. You see 3, minus 6, 12, 2, 6 terms. Second part, that is minus 2, minus 6, minus 18, 2, 7 terms, 1 by 9, 1 by 3, 1, dash 2, 5 terms, 2, 1 by 2, 6 terms, 1 and 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 2, 10 terms, 0.15, 0.1015, 0.0015 to 20 terms. Let us see how to solve it. First of all, you see the exercise 9D, find the sum of the part 1, that is 3 minus 6, 12 to 6 terms. Here A is 3 and common ratio is minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2. Here the common ratio is less than 1, so we will use this formula. Sn means sum of n terms will be given by A inside the bracket 1 minus r to power n upon 1 minus r. So F6 will be equal to 3, that is your first term, that is 3 in bracket 1 minus 2 so 3 is our first term in bracket 1 minus 2 power 6 upon 1 minus 2. So in the denominator it will be 1 plus 2, 3 के बराबर हो जाएगा, 3 here, और in bracket में 1 minus 64, क्योंकि 2 raised to power 6 is equal to 64. So minus will remain as it is. So 64 minus 1, that is minus 63. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So F6 will be minus 63. This will be the answer of first part of the question number 1. Second part, minus 2, minus 6, minus 18, 2, 7 term will be here. The first term is minus 2, r, that is common ratio, that is minus 6 by minus 2, that is equal to 3. यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि r जो है कॉमन रेशियो जो है इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1. तो हम फार्मूला कौन सा इस्तेमाल करेंगे समेशन ऑफ n टर्म्स के लिए? a इंटू r रेज़्ड टू पावर n माइनस 1 होल अपॉन r माइनस 1. तो S7 के लिए हम लिखेंगे माइनस 2 जो है कि हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म है 3 रेज़्ड टू पावर 7 माइनस 1 होल अपॉन 3 माइनस 1. minus 2 in bracket 3 raised to power 7. 3 raised to power 7 is equal to 2187 minus 1 upon 2. If solve, you see the minus 2 and 2 will be cancelled and we will get minus 1 here, and multiplied by minus 1 it will become 2000 minus 2186. This will be the 7th term of the geometric progression. Summation of 7 terms will be this much. Summation of 7 terms will be minus 2186. Third part, 1 by 9, 1 by 3, 1 to 5 terms, that is A is equal to 1 by 9, R is equal to means common ratio, that is 1 by 3 upon 1 by 9, that is equal to 3. So here R is means common ratio is greater than 1. So we use SN formula like this: A in bracket r raised to power n minus 1 in bracket closed divided by r minus 1. So here S5 means 5 terms we have to add. So S5 will be equal to 1 by 9, that is your first term, 1 by 9 in bracket 3 raised to power 5 minus 1 upon 3 raised to 3 minus 1. So S5 is equal to 1 by 9 in bracket. You see 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 243 minus 1 upon 2. That will be equal to 1 by 9 into 242 divided by 2. This is 1 by 9 as it is. So 121 divided by 9. Again you will solve it, you will get 13 and 4 by 9. This will be the answer of the third part of the question number 1. Now come to the fourth part, that is 2, 1, 1 by 2, 2, 6 terms, that is A is equal to 2, R is equal to 1 by 2, R is less than, means common ratio is less than 1. Therefore we will use this formula, that is A in bracket 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus R. So in place of A you write down 2 in bracket 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power 6 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. In denominator you will get 1 by 2, this 2 will go up and multiply to 2. And in the bracket you will get 1 minus 1 by 64. So 2 into 2 into, you see the 64 1 is 64 minus 1, that is 63 by 64. So 63 by 64, this 2 into 2, 4, that 64 will be cancelled by 4 and it will be now 16. So 63 by 16, ultimately we will get 3 and 15 by 16. This will be the answer. Fifth part you see, that is 1, 2 by 3, 4 by 9 to 10 terms. That is A is equal to 1 and common ratio will be equal to 2 by 3 divided by 1, that is equal to 2 by 3. Here the common ratio is less than 1, that is why we will use this formula, that is A in bracket 1 minus R raised to power n whole divided by 1 minus R. That is 7, 10, S10 will be equal to, our first term is 1. So inside the bracket we will write 1 minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power 10 upon 1 minus 2 by 3. You solve it, we will get, you see here, from here we will get 3 ones are 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 3, then 3 will go as a numerator part. So 3 by 1, inside the bracket we will write down 1 minus 2 by 3 raised to power 10. So this will be our answer, S10. S10 means summation of 10 terms will be equal to 3 into 2, 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3 raised to power 10. Now come to the sixth part of the question, that is 0.15, 0.015, 0.015 to 20 terms. Here the common ratio will be given by 0.015 by 1.5, that will equal 0.1. Common ratio is less than 1, therefore we will use the SN formula, A into bracket में लिखिए 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus R. Now S20 can be written that 0.15, that is your first term. In bracket you write down 1 minus 0 minus 1 whole raised to power 20 upon 1 minus 0, 1. That will be equal to 0.15 upon 0.9. In bracket you write down 1 minus 0.1 raised to power 20. So 15 by 90 will be, see, this will become 90 and this will, the decimal will be removed. So 15 by 90, that will be 1 by 6. 1 minus 0.1 raised to power 20. That will be ultimately 1 by 6 into in bracket 1 minus 0.1 whole raised to power 20. This will be our answer of the sixth part of the question number 1.